This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Jennifer.demoss. Wow, check out this beauty located in Legacy Subdivision, won't last long. Famous Tiara floor plan, custom built home ! 4 bedrooms 2 bathrooms, plus office and formal dining area. Custom built dining nook, perfect for enjoying those late night meals with the family. Fabulous kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, granite countertops. Large open living room with tons of built-in shelving, perfect for storage. This house has tons of space. Remote master bedroom with private master bath, jetted bathtub for relaxing. Large walk-in closet. Fourth bedroom upstairs is 466 square feet, with large closet. Huge backyard with above ground pool, playground equipment to stay. Legacy Elementary, Benton Middle, Benton High. For more information